Today we are doing an unboxing of Viiger's remote control Class C motorhome. Let's get started. So special note with this unboxing, I am going to take the motorhome out, but I am not going to totally take it out or off the platform there because Piper's birthday's coming up and she really wanted it. She's really into remote control cars lately, and of course she loves her motorhome, so I thought, why not? This is something you can pick up for under 30 bucks on Amazon. So all right, let's get it open. Move the box over a little bit. Like I said, I'm not going to unscrew it or anything, but I can give you a little bit more information on it. So the motorhome itself is a little over 7.5 inches. The width of it is almost 3 inches, and the height of it is over 3 inches. This particular model is in the color white, but you can also get one in blue with an ocean scene on the body. The remote control can move forward, backwards. Wheels can be turned right and left. It is a simple design. The controller itself is very, very simple. So for younger children, it shouldn't be a problem. The RV will need 3 AA batteries for the motorhome itself, and for the controller it will need 2 AA batteries. It's constructed of plastic metal with real rubber tires and working headlights. The headlights will turn on as the coach itself goes forward. Anyways, I'm sure Piper's going to get a real kick out of this. She also got the Barbie Corvette remote control for Christmas, and a couple months ago we got her just a cheap little race car remote control, and she's just having a blast. So I thought this would be a good addition for her, and it's nothing that's super big, so we can easily take it up north with us when we're camping, and she can have fun with it. So, alright, well, in the description below I will put a link if you want to get your own, and until then, happy trails.